Zenith is a legendary Swiss watchmaker renowned for precision, innovation, and timeless design. From the groundbreaking El Primero chronograph to the bold Pilot and Defy collections, Zenith seamlessly blends heritage with cutting-edge technology. Whether it's vintage-inspired classics or modern high-performance timepieces, each watch reflects the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and excellence. In this video, we'll explore the best Zenith watches, their standout features, and why they continue to captivate watch enthusiasts worldwide. Let's dive in. Number 5. Zenith Chronomaster Revival Safari. The watch is a striking take on the legendary El Primero chronograph. This exclusive model features a stainless steel 38 case, maintaining the proportions of the original 1969 R386. The signature tricolor sub-dials blue, grey, and silver are complemented by a bold black dial, adding a modern yet timeless aesthetic. Powered by the high-frequency El Primero 3600 movement, it delivers a 1/10th of a second precision with a 60 power reserve. The red chronograph hand enhances its sporty appeal, while the integrated steel bracelet ensures a seamless fit. As an online exclusive, this edition embodies Zenith's dedication to innovation and heritage, making it a must-have for collectors. A fusion of vintage charm and cutting-edge mechanics, the Chronomaster Original E-commerce edition is a true statement piece. Number 4. Zenith Chronomaster Revival A384 Shadow. The watch is a bold reimagining of the iconic 1969 R384, now with a stealthy, modern twist. Crafted from microblasted titanium, its 37 case exudes a matte, dark grey finish, giving it a striking yet understated presence. The black dial, paired with white subdials and luminescent hands, enhances readability while staying true to Zenith's vintage chronograph aesthetics. At its heart beats the legendary El Primero 400 automatic movement, delivering high-frequency precision and a 50 power reserve. The absence of a date window keeps the dial clean and symmetrical, while the black Cordura Effect rubber strap ensures a comfortable and sporty fit. Number 3. Zenith Chronomaster El Primero Range Rover. The watch is a seamless blend of Swiss precision and British automotive luxury. Designed in collaboration with Land Rover, this timepiece features a 42 made black ceramicized aluminum case, echoing the sleek yet rugged aesthetics of Range Rover vehicles. The grained grey dial, inspired by Range Rover interiors, is paired with black subdials for a sophisticated yet sporty contrast. Beneath the surface, the legendary El Primero 400B automatic movement beats at 36,000 vibrations per hour, ensuring ultra-precise chronograph functionality with a 50 power reserve. The perforated black rubber strap provides durability and comfort, making it perfect for both adventure and everyday wear. A tribute to innovation and craftsmanship, the Chronomaster El Primero Range Rover is a timepiece built for those who appreciate performance, heritage, and design. Number 2. Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink. The watch is a stunning blend of heritage and modern elegance. Housed in a 38 stainless steel case, it stays true to the classic proportions of the original 1969 El Primero R386. What sets this edition apart is its striking metallic pink dial, a vibrant yet refined shade that symbolizes strength and hope. The signature tricolor sub-dials grey, silver, and blue maintain Zenith's iconic design language, while the red central chronograph hand adds a sporty touch. Powered by the El Primero 3600 automatic movement, it offers 1/10th of a second precision and a 60 power reserve. A stainless steel bracelet enhances its versatility, making it perfect for any occasion. With a portion of proceeds supporting breast cancer research, The Chronomaster Original Pink is more than a watch, it's a statement. Number 1. Zenith Pilot Big Date Flyback. The watch is a bold reinterpretation of the brand's aviation heritage, combining functionality with modern sophistication. Encased in a robust 42.5mm stainless steel or black ceramic case, this timepiece is built for adventure. The textured black dial, inspired by aircraft cockpit instruments, ensures optimal legibility, while oversized luminescent Arabic numerals enhance visibility in any condition. Its standout features include a big date display with an instant change mechanism and a flyback chronograph, allowing for quick reset and restart. At its core, the El Primero 3652 high-frequency automatic movement delivers unmatched precision and a 60-hour power reserve. A rugged Cordura Effect rubber strap completes its sporty yet refined look. Designed for modern explorers,